Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back. Yes, welcome back in this additional in today's newspaper of a Saturday, January the 22nd, 2022. We have here in this additional six extra puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars Sudoku. We have two tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star, and one binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. Um, Today I will do 3 puzzles: Sudoku with 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. The other 3 puzzles, the tectonic with 1 star, the 2 stars, and the letter Sudoku, I will do this tomorrow on Sunday, because on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So I will continue with the additional. But first, Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 4017. Alright. Before I start, I always count or print the digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 printed digits. Correct. For 3 stars puzzle, it's always 25 printed digits. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve, if it's really a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. We have here 4 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 2 threes. We have here 3 fours. We have here 1, 2, 3 fives. We have here 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 4 eights, and 1 9. Okay, so the 1 and an 8. Let me see. Yeah, let me start with the 1 and 8. Yeah. We have here the 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the third column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes here, and 1 in the second row. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, well, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, okay. The 8, how about the 8? 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Yeah. This big square. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. and I cannot continue. And with the 8 now, need to wait for more information. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Then. So 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9 and a 5. Okay, so we have a pair, I believe. 6 and a 5 in this column. Third column, 6 and a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Okay. Yeah. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. 8 and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 there in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, so we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Okay. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 2. I need a 2 in this column. Well, this box cannot be a 2. We have a 2 in the last row. Here also a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Okay. Then Okay. Then. Let me think. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 5. Yeah. Come on. It's taking too long. Right, 3. How about 1, 2? Yeah. Well, in the middle column, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4. Wait. We see here 4, no 4 in this box. Here 4 in this row, so no 4 in that box. So here no 4, there no 4. So the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4, there 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4, there 4 should be there. Alright. And I cannot continue with the 4 now. 793. Yeah. Let me think. 793. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2. Yeah, the 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Do we have all the 2s? Let me think. No. 2 in the last row. 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 2. Okay. Alright. So now two missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6. No. We have a 3 here. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing and the 9 is missing here. 8, the 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9, let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Okay. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for numbers for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. Because for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 17 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it, solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzle. And every time I've solved a Sudoku, because a couple of days ago I analyzed the Sudokus, and I'm interested in the middle box. Maybe I can see a pattern. I do not know, but let me mark those boxes. Who knows? I will find a solution. Quick solution. 749. 749. 523. 523. 358. 358. So we have 2 pairs. Here, the 5 and the 3s. Okay. Yeah. Alright. So, see you later for the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.